Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube students. Dear students, today's lecture is going to be very interesting, as today we are going to learn the technique or the trick of finding square of any number but within 5 seconds. Important thing in this trick is that we don't have to memorize anything or we don't have to cram anything. We will be using the formulas which we have done in our 6th standard. कभी बचपन में पढ़े थे. We will be using those formulas over here. And the square of any number is the thing which we have to use in our middle school, secondary section, higher secondary section, as well as whenever we are preparing our competition exams. And if we are going to use the traditional way, then it is too long. And if we are searching for the shortcuts on internet, then इस रेंज से इस रेंज तक ये वाली ट्रिक यूज़ करनी है, इस रेंज से इस रेंज तक ये वाली ट्रिक यूज़ करनी है. भाई कोई ऐसी भी टेक्निक है जो कि सब पे यूज़ हो जाए, 2 डिजिट्स हो, 3 डिजिट्स हो या 4 डिजिट्स हो, जो सब पे अप्लाई हो जाए. यस, दिस इज़ पॉसिबल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. You have to see how much time I will take. Yes, that's it. Now let's solve 3-digit problem. Wow, see how much early I have done. Come on, let's learn that technique. These formulas in our 6th standard, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. What the technique we are using over there, that we have to subtract b from the original number, that is a, and afterwards we have to add the square of b. 44 square. Let's start. We are using this. It will be 40 plus 4 whole square. 40 square is 1600 and 4 square is 16 plus 40 into 4, that will be 160 multiply by 2 and it will be 1936. Yes, this was as simple as it is. Now let's move to the other technique. 50 minus, we can use this one, 50 minus 6 whole square. It will be 50 square 2500 plus 36 minus 600. 50 multiplied by 2, that is 100, and multiplied by 6, that is 600. So it will be 1936. Wow, what a great technique. Now I am going to use this third trick. So original number is 44. If I am going to add plus 6, so it will become 50, and minus 6, it will become 38. So 50 multiplied by 38, it will be 1900, and you have to add, don't forget to taking square of this. It will become 36, so 1936. It is really very easy and magical trick. Let's solve another number, that is 82 square. So here if we are going to 90 minus 8 whole square, it will be 90 square, that is 81 plus 64 and minus 2 is 1440. So it will be 6724. Yes, it is 6724. Fine. If I am going to use this formula, it will be 80 plus 2 whole square, 80 is a 64 plus 2 2s are 4 So it will be 6404 and you have to add 320. So 6724. So simple it is. And now I am going to use this third trick, that if I am going to add 18 into it, so it will become 100, and if I am going to subtract it, it will become 64. Fine. And don't forget to take the square of this. Now it will be 6400 plus 18 square is 324. If I am going to add it, it will be 6724. When you will be doing this trick first time, then you will be needing pen and paper, as well as it may take 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes. But when you will practice these tricks, so definitely you will be able to do it into your mind. Fine. So let's go to the bigger number. If I am having 128 whole square. Now you can do by using 100 plus 28 whole square method. So you can use this method, as well as I am using here 128 plus 28, it will be 156, and minus 28, it will be 100. That's what I want. जीरो वाले डिजिट बनाने हैं मुझे ताकि मेरी कैलकुलेशन इजी हो जाए. The multiplication would be easy whenever we are having zero the last. Plus, don't forget to take square of this number. Fine. So this and this will be 15600 plus, now I have to take square of 28. So we can again follow this method, that is equal to 20 plus 8 whole square. 20 20s are, that is 400, plus 8 8s are 64, plus 320. So it will be 784. Here it will be 16384. चलें भाई कैलकुलेटर उठा लें और चेक कर लें. द आंसर विल बी सेम. इतने आप कैलकुलेटर से कैलकुलेट करेंगे और उतने मैंने सॉल्व भी कर दिया. चलें अब इस नंबर को सॉल्व करके देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ द आंसर. इट वुड बी इजी फॉर यू व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग दिस ट्रिक. ये आप ट्रिक यूज़ करते जाएंगे तो आपको पता चलता जाएगा कि हमारे लिए ये बेस्ट होगा, ये बेस्ट होगा या ये बेस्ट होगा फॉर्मूला. सो आई थिंक 500 minus 8 whole square will be the best one. 500 whole square will be this, and plus 64, it will be 250064, and the 1000 multiplied by 8, this will be 8000. Now subtract from 8000, it will be 2,42,064. चलें जी, अब ये सॉल्व करते हैं. 996 होल स्क्वायर. So we know that 996 plus 4 and minus 4. If we are going to plus 4, that will be 1000, and minus 4 992, and you don't forget to add 4 square. Fine. So it will be 992 plus 16, 992016. इतनी देर में आप बातें बनाएं और इतनी देर में मैंने सॉल्व भी कर दिया. तो ये वो टेक्निक थी जो कि आप लोगों को, अगर आप शुरू में मे बी आप लोगों को पेपर पेन यूज़ करना पड़े, बट एट लास्ट व्हेन यू विल प्रैक्टिस these techniques, I am dead sure that you can solve all these type of questions into your mind. I hope you like this trick of taking square of any number in this easy way. So keep watching my videos for the latest content. Stay blessed and keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.